Hello everyone, welcome to another amazing video where we'll be making a delicious fish recipe along with Bok Choy or Pak Choi in a chili garlic or hot garlic sauce that will blow your taste buds. And friends, this fish recipe is best to be enjoyed with some hot steamed rice or even with fried rice. So let's begin with this interesting fish recipe. And here in this plate I have taken a Basa fish fillet cut into medium portions, and now we need to season them with some salt as per taste and some black pepper. We'll now rub the salt and pepper on both the sides of the fish pieces and we'll let them rest for about 10 minutes. In the meantime, we'll prepare the hot garlic sauce. For that, we'll take a bowl and into it goes a teaspoon of dark soya sauce. Next goes a tablespoon of oyster sauce. Then this is Schezwan sauce, adding 2 tablespoons of it, which will make the sauce hot and spicy. And now into this I will add a little water to make the sauce free flowing. We'll mix this well. And our hot and spicy sauce is ready. And now we shall start with the cooking process. For that, I've already heated some cooking oil in a pan. And when the oil is hot enough, we will add the fish fillet seasoned with salt and black pepper. And on medium flame, we will pan-sear them for just 1 to 2 minutes until they turn light golden brown from both the sides. And by now the fish fillets are done from both the sides, so we'll take them off and keep them aside in a plate. And now we'll prepare the hot garlic or chili garlic sauce. In the same pan we'll add some minced garlic. I have used here 4 to 5 large garlic paws. Next goes a teaspoon of finely chopped ginger. And now we need to saute them well on medium flame until they turn aromatic and golden brown in color. Then goes a teaspoon of chili flakes. We'll stir this for a few seconds. Next into this we will add some sliced onions as well as the white part of the spring onions. We'll give a quick stir. And now time to add the Bok Choy or Pak Choi. Keeping the flame on medium, we will stir for a few seconds and gradually they will start to wilt. Now let's season the bok choy with some black pepper and salt. We'll stir this once. And now time to add the hot sauce which we had prepared earlier. We'll give this a mix. And now we will cover and cook the bok choy on medium flame for about 2 minutes. Let's check this now. So the bok choy is partially cooked now. And at this stage we will add the slightly pan-seared fish fillet. And on low to medium flame, we will let them simmer in the hot garlic sauce for another 2 to 3 minutes so that they can absorb all the flavors of the sauce. And just before turning off the flame, we will add some chopped spring onions as well as some toasted white sesame seeds. That's it. Our fish with bok choy in chili garlic or hot garlic sauce is now ready to be served hot. So friends, I hope you will try this delicious fish with bok choy recipe, which is best enjoyed with hot steamed rice or even with fried rice. And if you enjoyed this recipe, then do share your feedbacks. Also, you can check out my other videos for more delicious and interesting recipes. We'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and happy cooking everyone.